Yeah, it's kind of bitter for me, but I would recommend that you guys try it yourselves.
So speaking of you trying it, I had my husband try it too. If you want to hear his honest opinion and see what he thought of the protein coffee, stay tuned and watch until the end.
Trying this little Javvy coffee thing that my wife made me try for the first time. It seems like it's supposed to be iced coffee, but I'm not a big fan of iced coffee, but I don't like hot coffee either. So what I usually do is I use my own protein and just mix it with coffee to make my own coffee. But this powder, it seems like it's going to be best of both worlds. So what I did was I grabbed 2 scoops, which gives me 20 grams of protein. I want to say it has maybe 80 milligrams of caffeine per scoop, which is 160 milligrams, which isn't a whole lot. Sometimes I would take this as a pre-workout if I didn't have any pre-workout with me for my workouts. Other times I would use it to just give me a little boost throughout the day. So what I'm gonna look to do is just use it today as a mid boost for just to give me a little extra boost in my normal day. So I want to taste it just to kind of see what it tastes like. I always drink my coffee black, so I could care less about the flavor. I don't ever add anything to it, so I don't need creamer. This is supposed to be French vanilla, which I don't care. I do vanilla, strawberry, whatever. But let me take a sip and see how it tastes. It's not bad. It tastes like coffee, which has no big issue to me. There's a little bit of aftertaste to it. Maybe that's just maybe the flavoring. I'm not sure if there's like stevia or something in it, but it just has a regular coffee taste to me. I wouldn't add anything else to it. I would just kind of drink it like that. Does it taste good or bad? It just depends on your preference. If you like coffee, it's fine. If you don't, then you probably wouldn't like it. So I would probably say I would use 2 scoops to somebody who works out, at least 2 scoops, because it's going to give me more protein, which I want. I would probably use this as a after my workout kind of recovery, because it'll give me that extra boost of caffeine along with the 20 grams of protein and whatever else I decide to eat. So I would say overall it's not a bad buy, but I would probably say if you wanted to make your own, you could. So say you'd probably save a little money. Just depends on what kind of flavors you like. I know I use mocha flavored protein at times that I get, so I usually mix that with my coffee, and that's how I usually make this version of it. So it's up to you. If you guys want to take a chance and try it, go ahead. I don't know about any other flavors because I've never tried them, but this one is just the French vanilla. So I would take that and use it, and I would probably say overall it mixed very easily. So I just use my protein cup. I don't have any there's no lumps in it. I don't have the shaker thimble or anything that usually goes into the cup. I just poured it in there, poured a bottle of water in there, and then shook it up. So there's no lumps or anything to it. It's got the little frothy top to it, so it mixed pretty easy. So if you're looking for that, something quick on the go, I would probably recommend that as far as the ease of the blending. Some of it gets chalky if you get other proteins, and it's harder to blend, but I usually don't use a blender when I use my protein shakes. I just usually pour the water or almond milk in it, and then I just shake it up. So it's worth a try. For people, I don't know how cost effective it would be, but I would say if you're looking for something with a little extra boost, I would probably say try it and go from there.
I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and share with someone who may benefit from this journey. Thanks for watching.